Hi, my name is Bhaskar Thakuria. Basically, nowadays everyone is becoming a content creator. The people's ability to think is getting downward, and since last 600 years, for elite class, reading was one of the way to think, measure their intellectual and challenge it. Before that, it was oral storytelling. It was plays that incited imagination. Since advent of internet, social media, and all this AI thing now has created a kind of anti-thinking barrier amongst us, and that is why most of our time are going into absorbing ourselves into social media content, and many of us has forgotten the world of thinking via imagining with books. Lot of books, as we know that we can extract venom with the help of venom. So I don't think I want to be a content creator, but basically I wish to communicate with the people. One of the thing that we can use is to use social media to promote book, to promote thinking, so that one day we can come back to book. So that is why what I am planning, proposing in coming time is to discuss in short video about books that has created my thought process and incites my vibes. And in this age of AI, definitely language is no bar, because AI can translate one language to another, but every language has its own beauty. And while we communicate, AI is yet to intervene our thought and talk. That is why I am thinking of Assamese is my mother tongue, so I would talk about Assamese book in English for a larger audience, and I will talk about English book that has also created my thinking horizon in Assamese, so that the Assamese audience can connect to them. Few book reviews short would come at infrequent interval wherever I get some time, and if you like, then definitely we will continue this venture of exploring the book that has to be read by across the language. Thank you everyone, keep in touch.